Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do the proper deadlift to avoid injury, hurting your back, lower back, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So let's get started, let's just get right into it. So I got the bar set up, you feel me? So how I usually start, I usually have my feet about, let me fix it. I have it like this, I'm right underneath the bar, and as I'm lifting up, I pretty much have the bar, come on the side for me. Bar up against my shins. But before I do that, look, legs about shoulder width, arms right outside the knees, as you can see. Boom. And then look it. As I grab that, I make sure my whole body is really, I tighten and brace my whole body. This is a whole body exercise too. It's working practically all the body parts, back, core, quads, everything basically. So, but like I said, feet about shoulder width, stationary. Make sure you like what you call it, as my dad say, legs is like a tree trunk. So yeah, like I said, legs like a tree trunk. You bend at the knees, hips go back, like you got a tail, like you got a monkey tail. Somebody pulling you back, like ah, you know what I'm saying? Going boom, you know what I'm saying? But boom, hips go back, arms about outside your knees, and as you're getting ready to lift, it's like you pushing the earth away. Boom, I don't want to lift it yet, just trying to get y'all to get the form. Hips is back, and before I lift, I also make sure my lats, everything is engaged. The whole body, it's the whole body movement. Sorry, I got a little dizzy. Whole body movement. So make sure everything is engaged as you're lifting, to prevent injury. So like I said, the bar just right next to your shins, right over the ankles, arms right outside the knees. Keep going this way, just so you can see more. Yeah, just like this. And as I get ready to lift, I engage, everything squeeze. I'm squeezing my back, everything as you can tell. Boom. And then boom. As I go up, I'm squeezing my butt, everything's squeezing. Go back down, look, the hips go right back where I was. Hips go back out, squeeze again. It's like you're just standing right up, that's all. Hips go back, let go, squeeze the whole body, legs stationary. Lats engaged, everything, back, lats, core. It's like you're just standing up. You're not really lifting, you're not lifting the bar, you're not lifting that up like that. You're standing right up, as I said, just stand up. Boom, make sure head is in neutral spine. Hips go back, boom. Squeeze, push up. So just like that, that's how you do deadlifts. Whoever says it's light, suck.
Not down with that, then we've just got two words for you. Suck it.